Hello guys, I am Devindu and today we are going to install Node.js in our system. So if your system already had installed Node.js, then you can skip the starting part of this video. But later in this video, I will discuss about Node.js and NPM. So let's get started. So I opened the browser and searching Node.js in the Google. So let's type Node.js and in the first link that nodejs.org, click on that link, and in this website you can see that there's some small description about what is Node.js, and there's two download link that one of the is the recommended for most user, and I will also recommend this link. And it is the stable version of the Node.js and it is the current version of the Node.js. The current version can have some bugs, so it is safe to use the stable version of the Node.js. So just click on that link and the Node.js started to downloading. So you can see it is already downloaded, so click on it. Click on next and accept the license. Next, and just go to next. And don't need to check on this box, just click next and click on install. So this installation will take some time, depends on your system specification. So I am waiting. So please wait for some times and it will be installed. So after few minutes the installation is completed and just click on the finish. This Node.js will also install NPM in your system, so no need to install NPM separately. You can also check if your system installed Node.js or not by typing cmd in the search bar and type enter, and the command prompt will open up in your Windows, and just type node -v and just click enter. And in our case the version of our node is 16.13.2, which we installed recently, 16.13.2. And is and if you type npm uh, -v, then it will show the current version of npm installed in our system, and in our case the npm version is 8.1.2. So you are successfully installed Node.js in your Windows. So if you have Mac or Linux, so the steps is also similar. Just just download the from this link and just go next, and then the Node.js will be installed in Linux or Mac. After installed Node.js successfully in our computer, let's talk something about Node.js and NPM. So if I talk about Node.js, then Node.js is actually a JavaScript runtime which is built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine. And with the help of Node.js, we can run JavaScript code outside the browser. And before Node.js, we can't actually executed any JavaScript code outside the browser, but with the help of the Node.js, we can run JavaScript code anywhere in any system where the Node.js are actually installed. So it is a actually JavaScript runtime environment where the JavaScript can be executed. And the Node.js uses the Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine to execute the JavaScript. So let's talk about what is NPM. NPM stands for Node Package Manager, where NPM is the package manager for the JavaScript runtime environment Node.js. Actually, just think about this, that Node.js is the platform and NPM is the tool by which the Node.js will manage their packages. And currently NPM contains over 8 lakhs packages in NPM, so it is a huge package manager. And so if you have any doubts regarding this, so I will be explaining this one more time, that just think about JavaScript is a programming language and Node.js is the runtime environment of the JavaScript where the JavaScript code is executed. And just think about NPM is the package manager of Node.js. So JavaScript is the programming language which is executed in the runtime environment of the JavaScript called Node.js, and the packages of Node.js can manage with the NPM. And the Node.js uses Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine to execute the JavaScript. So JavaScript is our main hero, and Node.js is the place where JavaScript is executed with the help of Chrome's V8 engine, and NPM is the package manager of Node.js. You can also check from the website of Node.js that it is written Node.js is a JavaScript runtime built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine. So if anybody asks you what is Node.js, just tell them that Node.js is the JavaScript runtime which is built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine. And if somebody asks you what is the NPM, then just tell them NPM is the Node package manager which manages the packages of the Node.js. I will explain JavaScript, Node.js, and NPM throughout this series, but it is very good for the beginners for get a overview of what is the JavaScript, what is the Node.js, and what is the NPM. So that is it for today, and in the next video we will install VS Code in our system. So bye bye.